Twist Squad. One twist, one team, all fun. Welcome to the zone where your tongue twists, your brain boosts, and your day gets better in just 1 minute. This is your boy Arun Surya bringing you the ultimate trio, a twister, a thinker, and a teaser. Every single day. Twist, think, and win. Ready to twist? Here, today's tongue twister. Sizzling samosas swiftly slipped from silver spoons. Silver spoon. Next, proverb of the day. A journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. Meaning, big goals are achieved by taking the first small step and staying consistent. Next, quiz time. Who wrote the famous play Romeo and Juliet? Option A, Charles Dickens. Option B, William Shakespeare. Option C, Leo Tolstoy. Option D, Mark Twain. Comment your answer below. The best one gets a special mention in our next video. Don't forget to try the tongue twister with our